चलिए नेक्स्ट करते हैं उसके बाद में असाइनमेंट. ओके, वन थिंग यहाँ पे काफी अच्छी इंटरेस्टिंग चीज है. आई made the assignment, next assignment to you. This is the quite good. Personally, I like it. यहाँ पे क्या है? We have an option of limitations. Like I have four limitation of 4-digit number. Like if I type any 4-digit number, 2222, it show me error. And note this, please try lesser number. Okay. Or I type 1, it will automatically come. Then I type 1111, it will come. Any number less than 3, less than or 4 digits like 100, it can come. And I go again. I go on 4 digits. It show please try lesser number. So by this assignment, we are going to use two things: validate the column or validate the cell, and decide decide the error message. Okay, we are going to decide the error message as well as we are going to restrict the cells on the behalf of our conditions. समझ में आया सबको कि असाइनमेंट क्या है? Anyone can confirm कि आपको समझ में आया कि असाइनमेंट क्या है? मिताली मैम, you raise the hand if you want to ask something. I'm happy to have the solution.
I wanted to ask something from the previous sheet, but now as you've moved on, it's okay. We can do it later.
No, ma'am. If you want, then I can also go there. That's not an issue.
No, we can do this exercise later. What I faced, suppose we have two Excel sheets or two
Uh,
sheets in the same, sheet only.
mhm.
Suppose, as you made the last one, mark
Uh-huh.
sheet. Suppose I
Mhm.
have three people making the same sheet. Someone is
Mhm.
filling for subject one, someone is filling for subject two. But what they have done is the names are different. In sheet one, my names are different. People are same, but that sequence is different. But I want to combine them later on in a single sheet. So I guess VLOOKUP is something that we use, but I have always found it very difficult to again compile all this data in a single sheet. So if we can do an exercise about that in the end, maybe in the end when we are done with all the other exercises, that will be very
Yeah,
helpful.
we will go to do this. First of all, I'll just show you how to use hand punching and self protection. I already show you how you are going to use self protection.
Yeah.
So you can use by validating the which person is working on particular column. You can this thing you can fix. Then you need to manually do the copy and paste, or otherwise you can do by using cell reference. For example, as you give na, I have a sheet, multiple sheet like sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3, and 3 persons are working over there. At the fourth sheet, I need to compile all the data of 3 sheets. So we can use by hyperlink or by cell referencing.
So there is one option of VLOOKUP also when if suppose the sheet will
By
come from some other
by
person.
when I say self referencing, matlab is self referencing as well as by VLOOKUP function or any function, it always use self referencing.
Okay.
In any function, you need to use the self referencing. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for the wonderful question. Acha, anyone guess how we are going to restrict this thing? We also discussed this tool in the previous assignment, where I just draw the drop down button. So what I'm going to do? What I was going to do? Okay, here I let me do like I highlight with yellow color, and I need to validate this thing. Like it will work according to me. So I just select this thing and go to data tab and then select data validation. Again in data validation, we have lot of options. We just had this one key. We need list. So I had this on that assignment कि जहाँ मुझे IDs was there कि मुझे IDs का list चाहिए. And apart from IDs, I had these values like this is the option name text length. I just click here minimum number. So I put there the what can be minimum number and the maximum item. Okay. Minimum number is 1 and second maximum number, the maximum digit is there. Like for example, I just gave 4 digits. Okay. So now if I type 5 digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, it show error. Okay. It show error or the error is this value doesn't match the data validation restriction and all things. I need to change this one also. But this value doesn't need. So I'll check. I'll go here, select again, then go to data validation, then data validate, and there is input message. Input message, what you want? What you want to print the message? For example, I want to print ha ha ha. Title is joking. Just for an example, nothing else. So whenever I just click here, it will always say like comment. Okay. Or I want to change the error message. Error message something like error alert. Here you want to stop it, warning it or information. So I want to stop restrict by title joke and message was again So when I type 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, is it show me joke and Okay, so there is the option. This is one more column which I highlighted from different color. So please do it any kind of data validation. Okay, which you like to have any kind of data validation, or if you don't want to use different data validation, please use this one. Okay, if I type, if I try to type 4-digit number, so it will show me error of you are not allowed to do. Okay, anyone can do कि यहाँ पे whenever I type more than 4-digit letter, so the message should be appear like this. You are not allowed to do.